Alright, a little update from me. It's a bit late. I've been running errands and Nimber tasks all day. But anyway, a couple of days ago, I finally replaced my tires. Yes, I've been using the Windrun R330 summer tires. And after 25,000 kilometers, they were done for it. So, I noticed, like, we've been getting like lots of dry road here for the longest time, right? And then suddenly, last weekend, it started raining. And I felt like, whoa, these tires are crap. So I think the end of the story is change your tires when they are about 3 millimeters. And this applies to any type of tires, whether it's Michelin or Continental or whoa, look at this, it's sliding sideways now. What the heck? I was only doing 60 kilometers per hour. Sliding sideways. Holy shit, man. These Windrun tires are horrible right now. Damn. Have to get new tires. Shit. I have to talk to Trond from Megahjul. It's pretty crappy now. It's not really that wet. I believe that it was a rare tire because I started sliding a little bit sideways in roundabouts on wet road. No, but as long as the road was dry, then it was like I didn't feel anything. So I was getting the same impression I had with the Michelin tires when they were worn out. They were also pretty shitty. So same with the Windrun, pretty shitty tires. And you see here, this is the back tire. It's like, okay, we are getting close to slicks here. And for some reason, more wear in the middle. So I don't know why, because maybe I overinflated the tires in the beginning, but I corrected that. So I've been running on 2.9 bar, which is by specification. And you also see on the edge here, this is the inside of the tire. It's getting worn out, or getting close to the cord. So as expected. So I've been running the car on low suspension permanently. I wanted to see what kind of effect it did. But you know what? It seems like low doesn't eat up the inside of the tire that much. Here you see the front tire, by the way. The front looks a lot better. Looks like it has more even wear. So it seems like only the rear tire gets eaten up in the inside, and I don't think running it on standard will make any difference, because some people claim that standard will make it better. You can also see, I mean, if you look at the Model X or S from behind, you will see that the tire goes, I mean, the rear tire is like this, whereas the front is more like, more vertical. So it's probably to improve cornering that they do that. But I would like to try to run it on standard. The only problem is that I have this rattling from the front drive unit, and by lowering it, I get less rattling. So, like, I tried lately after I replaced a tire to run it on standard, but every time I accelerate, it sounds like a diesel car, But when in low, then you get way less of that. So of course, Tesla has to eventually fix this under warranty. Yeah, this is covered under the drivetrain and battery warranty, which is 8-year unlimited. My car is now over 2 years old, but it has done 184,000 kilometers. But still, that warranty is still valid. So I'm happy for that. I heard rumors, by the way, that they will make they have a permanent fix for it. Yeah, coming soon in 2 Tesla weeks. They did something with a design, like basically the problem is that the front motor. The problem is the front motor. Okay, so the front motor has been mounted somewhat high, and then you have this angle downwards to the half shafts. Yeah, if you saw recently, the half shaft was replaced, right? Those half shafts, they distribute the power to the wheels, and then in normal, let's illustrate. I'm not sure how it is. Again, I'm not Rich Rebel. I'm not black. So let's say normal looks like this, and then when you lower the car, it becomes more like this. And it's when you have that, especially when you have it like high or very high, then you have this larger angle, and that makes the rattling. But if you lower it too low or very low, then you get almost no, especially in very low, you get none of that rattling. So I heard that I-Pace is designed differently. They mounted the motor lower so that you don't get that rattling. So we'll see in a couple of years. Hopefully we don't see any of that problem among the I-Pace. Yeah. But as for Model X, especially Model X is susceptible for that one. Model S also gets a little bit, but it's slightly different. But from what I heard, yes, there will be a permanent fix for it. We just have to wait. Yeah. All right, but okay, so wind run tires. It's been very wet lately. Like today, I was out driving, like it was soaking wet. And how did the wind run tires handle it? Flawlessly. Yeah, we have like 7 to 8 millimeter tread, and they grip quite well. There's no aquaplaning, even if I drive at speed limit plus VAT. So yeah, they are great. I will still use them. I have a new set now. I will use them out this season, and then I have to use winter tires. So we'll see again next year how it is, because I'm also a little worried about that like, you know, wear in the middle. Like, is that something weird with the tire? I haven't seen it before. But all right, I think that's it. A small update from me about the tires and the rattling. Yeah, so there you go. Some people requested for me to make some Tesla videos. So here you go, Tesla video for the win. All right, so I guess that's it. Talk to you guys